Hey everybody, today we're going to be talking about back to school gift card holders. Hey there, how are ya? I'm Nick, I'm the Bearded Housewife. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to talk about super simple, super easy gift card holders that are also cards. This is what the school bus one looks like. This is the card on the front. And on the back, see there's a little pocket for the gift card or money card or whatever. And you can write your sentiment here and give it to your new schooler. Let's head on over to my blog and I'll show you how to get the file and then I'll show you how to make it.
Okay, we are here at my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. We're going to head down to the Resource Library tab. If you don't have access, you can click the Get Access button and you can fill out your email address or fill out the form and you'll get sent the password. But for now, we're going to click Enter the Library. I've already typed in the password. You're going to want to head over to School Bus Cards. Click on that link and download it to your computer, and we're ready to go to Design Space and get started. Now that we're in a new project, we're going to head to Upload and Upload Image, then click Browse and find where we have the file on our computer, and click Save, highlight the image, and click Insert Image. It'll bring it into Design Space. I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here. You're going to want to ungroup the entire design. Head down on the Layers panel, click the score lines for the envelope and change them to score. Highlight the group and click Attach. Now I want to change the text on the back of the card because I want the Cricut machine to draw instead of cut the text. So highlight both of those layers, change it to draw, highlight that group, and click Attach. Now for the gift card sleeve, we're going to highlight all three of these cut lines because we're going to change those to score lines. And now all of the text we need to highlight and change that to draw. Now highlight the entire group and click Attach. Now we can go back into our computer and upload our print then cut image. It's in the same downloaded file folder that you got the other part of this project. It's under print then cut. You're going to want to select the complex option and hit continue. Zoom out just a little bit and then hit this magic wand on the left hand side. Click anywhere in the black background and that will remove that background, and then hit continue. You're going to want to make sure that you have print then cut as the option and then hit save. Now highlight that image and click insert image. It will bring it into our canvas. Now unlock the... Now you're going to want to come up to the sizing options up here and change the width and the height to 6 inches. There we go. Now you can bring the print and cut image over the white cut image. Highlight both of the layers. And under the Align tab, you're going to want to hit Center. And then head over to Flatten on the Layers panel. And now you can head up to Make It. You'll see that the black box is around the school bus. That indicates that it is a print then cut image. And you can hit continue. And head up to Send to Printer. and then you're going to click print. You do want to make sure that add bleed is selected. Right up here, add bleed. And once your image is printed out, you're going to want to select your cardstock type. In this tutorial, I'm going to select sticker paper because I had some on hand. You can also use just regular cardstock and glue it. That's totally up to you. And now we can get started to cutting. Okay, we have our grain standard cut mat, our cardstock, our print and cut image, our scoring tool, our Cricut pen, and some glue. Alright, I'm just going to cut everything out. I'm going to speed this part up so that you guys don't have to sit there and watch me cut everything out. Alright, now that everything's cut out, it's time to assemble the card. For this tutorial, I'm going to start with the gift card sleeve. So you're going to want to fold the tabs of the gift card sleeve along the score lines, and then press with your Cricut brayer. Now we're going to take some adhesive and run it along the tabs. And now fold the back of the sleeve up, creating the pocket. Just like that. Now we're going to flip over the back side of the card, so the card that has the writing on it. Add some adhesive. And remember, I'm using the sticker paper, but you can use cardstock. It's whatever you prefer. And adhere the front of the card to the back of the card, lining up all of the edges and giving it a good press. Now add some adhesive to the back side of the gift card sleeve. And attach it onto the back part of the card, centering it below the text. Give it a good press. And the card is done. Now let's do the envelope really quick. So we're going to fold along the score lines. And now add adhesive to the lower flap of the envelope. Raise that flap up and give it a good press. That is it. Your card is all done.
How easy were these? I mean, I really don't think that I could have created something any easier, to be honest. You don't need your Cricut or a cutting machine to even do these. You could print them out on your computer with the PDF versions of the file download and go from there. So I think that these are really, really cute. They'll be perfect for back to school, or like if kids get really good grades for that marking period, it would be a cute thing to give. I hope that you guys liked this video. If you did, make sure that you hit like and subscribe to my channel. That way you know every time that I come out with a new video. Head over to my blog, thebeardedhousewife.com. I have lots of craft tutorials there, shirts and cards and other paper crafts, all kinds of things. Until next time, I'm Nick. I'm the Bearded Housewife. I will see you later. Bye.